All right, so we got our kit on. We kind of jumped ahead a bit. We were really lucky with this one because it had a previous kit on it. A lot of the body modifications have already been done. So you can see now that we have this for our initial test fit, the next phase of it is to start checking tolerances, clearances, fitment issues. So we'll start marking all those out, individually body working each one and making whatever adjustments we need. Then the tedious part happens. So up until this point, it seems like it's gone super fast and it's super easy, but that's all because of the quality of this kit and using a lot of factory mounting. A lot of lesser kits, you're gonna spend a lot more time fitting them, making mounts, drilling your own holes. So there's always a trade-off. One, you're spending a lot more and you're gonna save on the back end. The other side, you're gonna save on the front end and you're really gonna pay on the back end. So this one, luckily, fits really nice. There's a few little adjustments that we're gonna make, and then we'll move into the bodywork phase. So we'll make our adjustments, do one more test fit, take it all off, start our bodywork, test it one last time, and then we'll move into final paint and final fitment. So that's where we're at now, and the next phase is bodywork.